Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites Suffolk, Chesapeake. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Comfort Suites near Joint Forces Hotel, the premier all-suite hotel at the Bridgeway Commerce Park, is located near Lockheed Martin, SAIC, Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, Dominion Resources and the United States Coast Guard Portsmouth. Hotel features include free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, free local calls and free all-day coffee station. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. If you're leaving early, a Sweet Success grab-and-go bag is available for the 2 hours prior to breakfast. Guests can relax after a long day by the indoor heated pool and hot tub or keep up fitness routines in the well-equipped fitness room. This hotel has a convenient on-site business center that includes a public computer with internet access, and copy and fax services. The banquet and meeting facilities are able to accommodate many types of gatherings, including corporate meetings and social events, and can host up to 75 people for most functions. Our sales staff are happy to assist in preparing your next event. All of our guest suites have coffee makers, work desks with excellent lighting and multiple outlets, flat-screen televisions, microwaves, refrigerators, safes and sofa sleepers, perfect for families and groups. Keep your electronic devices charged with the recharge device including AC and USB outlets provided in all guest rooms. For added convenience for our extended stay or business guests, coin-operated laundry facilities are located on the property and valet cleaning services offered. Ample parking is available and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. Norfolk Naval Shipyard, Joint and Coalition Warfighting, Naval Medical Center Portsmouth and Langley Air Force Base are within an easy commute, convenient for government travelers. This hotel provides easy access to a number of local points of interest including the Great Dismal Swamp National Wildlife Refuge, Nauticus, the National Maritime Center, Virginia Air and Space Museum, Hampton Coliseum, Old Town Portsmouth Virginia Beach Oceanfront and the historic downtown Norfolk area. Several entertainment venues and shopping centers, including Harbor View Marketplace and the Chesapeake Square Mall, are within minutes of the hotel. Area restaurants include Ruby Tuesday, Starbucks, Panera Bread and Tropical Smoothie Cafe and are just a sampling of the area's dining options. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.